instrument of peace. We should not be victims of this chaotic world. Instead, we are called to be instrument of peace. Hindi tayo dapat maging biktima ng magulong mundo. Sa halip, tinawag tayo upang maging instrumento ng kapayapaan. When hatred is spread, sow love. When darkness comes, shine light. This is the way of Christ. Brothers and sisters, in Matthew 5:9, blessed are the peacemakers, for they were called children of God. Don't let the chaos of this world define you. Be God's peacemaker. Huwag hayaang ang kaguluhan ng mundong ito ang maghari sa iyo. Maging tagapagdala tayo ng kapayapaan at kasaganaan ng sanlibutan. Amen. God bless us all.